Okay, for those of you who are asking how to change date of birth on Opay app, okay, let me show you how to do it. But before we start, I want you to understand that Opay is a fintech company that has rules and regulations. So in this note, some people may not be able to change anything like editing their account details on the app. So before, if you want to change, do any modification, you need to contact Opay customer care support to help you by documents they will ask you to provide. Then they will change anything you want to change. But for now, let me show you how to change date of birth on Opay app. When you log in like this will be your dashboard. So you click on your picture, or if you are not added your picture, you will see an avatar, something like an avatar. You click on it. When you click on it, then you look at home page here. You will see edit just close to your picture. You click on edit. When you click on edit, it's your details. Understand, this is your details. So like this, now you can change anything, any modification. So now this will be your date of see the date of birth here. If what you are looking for, you click on it and change it. Like this one, you can't change it on. So if I want to change this thing, I need to contact the Opay customer support for them to help and change this. Have you seen it? You can't change it. So that is what I'm telling you people, that you can't change it. Before I want to change that, I have to provide some documents, understand, that shows that I'm the owner of the account for security purposes. So you need to provide these things and contact them. So if you want to learn how to contact Opay support, or document you will provide and change do any modification and change anything you want to change, put your name and your phone number, go to description. You will see the link there, and you go and read everything you need to read and see what you can do anytime you want to change anything on your Opay account. Thank you and God bless you. Please don't forget to subscribe and click on the notification button for more updates. Thank you.